The thing about the churches is they have such small entrances. Breathtakingly beautiful. Let's go for a walk. Mother Mary, and of course the Christmas decorations. This is Christmas in Venice at its finest.
Notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, non si sente quanto cibo d'amore. Delle belle turbando al riposo, non si sente quanto cibo d'amore. Fra guerrieri po' perbacco, gran mustacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. E c'è del fandango, una mosca
Da Tullio Lombardo, 1502, and Jesus with his disciples. Everything is marble. And upon coming out of the church, you're just faced with Captain Candy shop.
Exit on your right.
Let's have a look inside Captain Candy. We are in Venice with Captain Candy.
Hello, to Captain Candy.
We're gonna do.
A white collar, she's probably asleep. A white collar, she doesn't wanna meet. Oh, honey, bunny, sugar plummet. White collar, white collar, white collar, white. Oh, honey, bunny, sugar plummet. White collar, white collar, white collar, white.
So we've just left Captain Candy. Don't forget the pasta. Amazing selection. This is pasta, Italian style.
La riconosco un po' la strada, poi faccio
More gelato and crepe shop since 1987. Jewelry next door. Another beautiful shop. Cartier. Even the French are here. Wow, look at this. A gondola. Made of porcelain. And other statues, but at a price. Happy Christmas, everybody. Guys.
La selezione di Venezia come
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name. Calling out your name. Calling out your name. Been in hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
I'll be right there.
Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you